And now here, you want to take this? This is going to go in the fridge. Let's put that in here. And that goes in here. Here, you can put it right here. That'll work too. Yes, thank you. And let's get your milk. Your milk. This is your milk. And it goes right down there. Put this right there. Okay, now let's take these to the pantry. You close the door. Close the door. Thank you. Now let's take these. Put these in here. Oh, where are we going to put them? Let's put one up there, and Mama will put this other one up there, okay? Oh, let's leave those in there. Here, can you put this in? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here. You need both hands for this one. Put it in there. Here, let me take this from you so you can use both hands. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just lift it right in there. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, very good. Okay, now let's close the door. Let's close the door. Yeah. Thank you. Oh no, we can close it now. We can close the door. Yes. No, Andrew, let's close the door.
Do you want something?
Oh, I know it's got Elmo on it.
Elmo! Andrew, is that Elmo? Oh! Andy! Elmo! Where's Elmo? Yeah! Elmo!
No, we're not going to have one of those right now.